it was the storyline was to be through Diamond.
Yeah.
But I was approached by Young Famous during the election season.
Yeah.
The reason it didn't make it, we were to be on season 2. Actually, we were to be on season 2. The reason we didn't manage was the times that what they were giving us to shoot in 2022 was during the election period. It was between 15th July, because I was to fly to South Africa, 15th July to 15th of August.
Yeah, August.
And that was the same time that we were shooting. We were campaigning. Nilikuwa naamini nitashinda.
Na utashinda my love.
Na hapo baba
Yeah.
ulinikosea kwa sababu uliniambia utanipea kazi na nakuona kwa serikali na hata saa hii mi niko tu huko naendesha aviator but ni sawa. So we were approached, but at that time you see, I had already committed myself to the people of Mathare and the election period, so I could not leave the country. Last year, it was last year in November. There's something big that they're cooking.